Hi, I'm Olivier from Skill Center Learning English. Right? Today's tutorial, I'm going to tell you 5 ways use in with time expressions. Right? Very good. Number 1, maths. I can say I'm going on holiday in May. Right? Number 2, seasons. We can say in winter it's cold. Good. Number 3, years. Number 3, years. I can say I finished school in 2020. Right? Very good. Number 4, most time of day. For instance, I leave home in morning. I get home in evening. But I go to sleep at night. It is an exception. Right? Very good. Number 5, we use in past, in present, in future. Right? For instance, in future, we learn everything from video in Skill Center. Good. So, guys, I hope you enjoy today's tutorial. Welcome next time. Remember to subscribe, like,